video we will see how to change the Frigidaire refrigerator light bulb type, cover removal and a replacement. So the step 1, you can plug the refrigerator from the power outlet. Sorry, you can unplug the refrigerator. Then open the refrigerator door and locate the light cove. Then in step 3, you can remove the light cover. After that, some covers snap off, so gently press the tabs and pull it down. After that, some have a screw, so use a screwdriver to remove it and then unscrew the old light bulb by turning it counterclockwise. Then in the step 5, you can take the old bulb to a store and buy the same type and watt, and then you can screw in the new bulb by turning it clockwise until snug. Then after, you can put the light cover back in place and secure it, and then plug the refrigerator back in, and at last step you can open the door to check if the light turns on. Goodbye.